formal. Just remember 6 months back, all dancing here happening. The last working day was a gala and you all celebrated. But today you stand here with your parents, very disciplined, with job offers in hand and proud achievers of the day. But it all happened because of two persons' dream in your lives, your father and your mother. They have dreamt, yes, one day my child will get into the institution and get placed. At this moment, I would quote on every Achievers Day what my father, Dr. JPR, always, he tells us, he promises to each and every day, you hand over children to me. The first year, I will hand over them back as a disciplined child with job, with high collars back to you on this Achievers Day. So that is the legacy we follow, and that is definitely the celebration of this Achievers Day, where we had the man behind. I think today he is the man of the match, whom we celebrate always here. I think you all know he is our alumni. But today, when he was giving away, though the scenario was down, we had 300 companies recruiting our students, more than 2,000 plus students are placed. But I am happy to say, out of the 300 companies, 4 companies are our own student companies, our alumni who have recruited our juniors. It's really a pride that they come back and they have recruited you. That shows they have had a great vision in mind, that not only they are job seekers, but they are job providers. That is the dream that 4 children had in mind, and they have recruited you. My respects to them who have recruited you, and also to the 5 visually impaired children who are sitting in the first row, who have got into 5 IIMs. That is a great achievement of this batch. They can hear you. You can give a big round of applause to them. You will be witnessing them on stage very shortly. Today is the day where you celebrate all your accomplishment of what you have done in all these 4 years, where you stood unique, where you utilized your time, where you studied well, where you reappeared for your examinations, stood outside laboratories, stood outside classrooms. That all has to happen. That is the university and college life. It all comes to a halt where you stand now responsible in front of the nation, that you're going to work from tomorrow as a responsible citizen. But never forget your teachers. Whenever you come, they are always here, right from the first year to the final years. Not only the teachers, the supporting staff members, the drivers, the mess workers, the hostel workers, the coordinators, and all the block in charges. I think you should appreciate them with a big applause today. Be thankful to them always, because our thoughts were always on you for these 4 years. These 4 years definitely would have made you a leader, but I would tell you, all of you should become job givers. Today you have got a job in hand, but try to create new startups, your own companies, so that you will start to give jobs on your own. Today there is a vast opportunity from the governments as well as from the organization and from our university also to start your own startup. Utilize it, because always everybody will say, run for your life, run for your life. That everybody says right from school. Teachers would say, run for your life. Then you come and sit in college, teachers would say, run for your life. And even parents would say, run for your life. Yes, everybody has to run, because not because of the race, but to me, when you run, always keep for me that R represent, you always have to respect yourself and respect each and every individual you meet. The second U stands for utilize your time properly, because usually we don't do that. Everybody is very much into the social world and seeing what other people are doing. But utilize your own time. By that time, 2-3 hours go. You never know what is happening. 2-3 hours go just like that. So utilize your time. And the end starts for no boundaries for your dream. Always they say dream for it. But if you want to dream for it, you have to work for it. Correct? You cannot sit, somebody will not come and accomplish your dream. So if you have a dream, work for it. But beyond all this, to all you children who are going to face the world from tomorrow, you have to take proper rest. There are 4 important rests you have to take. First, social rest. Restrict yourself from the social media. Restrict yourself from more information. I think everybody is taking a lot of information, and that's really good when you take a lot of information. Today, our placement dean had given a lot of information to you. A lot of students who have been given scholarships also are sitting in front of you as achievers. Take what is the best, what is positive for you, because we need a lot of positivity. I'm so proud that out of all the students, we have nearly 90% of the students placed here with job offers, and some of them are going for higher studies. But then for the next Achievers Day, I should see at least 3 rows of students having their own startup. Might be you can also come back, recruit the students, and our student startup should occupy the first 4 rows, and we will be really happy to honor our student startup in the next Achievers Day. So you will come as startups as managers, and see you next time. Yes should be from every, it should kindle from even. Second, take good proper care of your mental health. Mental health is very, very important for you, because you're going to face the world, and you have already faced a lot of things. So please take care of your mental rest. That is, you have to take time of yourself, and you have to spend time for yourself. Take some time for yourself alone, because an early riser is the best person who tastes success very soon. Nothing. If anybody is standing there who's success in life, who's succeeded in life, who's achieved in life, nothing. They have given time beyond. They have risen up, and they have slept late, and they have eaten their food properly on time. That most of you will not do. Please take your food on time, and be an early riser at least 1 hour before entire the house gets up, which is very, very useful for you. The third rest which you all need for all of you is spend time with your family. Nobody thinks about that, because we forget parents, we forget ourselves, and we are engaged with things which is happening around us. But I would always say spend time with family. That is the real rest. If you have a week's time, spend it with your family, spend it with your parents, because parents are the real root cause for us, who will always be happy for us, who will always stand by us when there is a need. So never forget your parents, respect them throughout your life, respect yourself, and respect each and every individual you meet in life. I'm really proud of each and every student who is sitting here. As a proud mother, I'm here to see all children, but all this goes to your parents and your teachers. So always keep whatever they have taught in life, your spirit high, positive, stay valuable always throughout your life, stay strong. All the very best. Thank you.